Molt bé, doncs estem amb l'Anita Stenberg, flamant guanyadora d'aquest trofeu Ciutat de Barcelona en la categoria de fèmines, la prova d'Òmnium. L'Anita, que és la vigent campiona noruega, medalla de bronze en el darrer Mundial, la prova de puntuació, i que avui s'ha apropat aquí a Barcelona per disfrutar d'aquest velòdrom i d'aquestes instal·lacions. Anita, what a big performance for you today in this installation. What are your feelings?
Well, I feel really grateful being here. It was super fun racing. The track is really fast. It's awesome. The girls were strong, so I'm really happy I could be here, and I'm really happy with my victory. Yeah, I have been training really good in this break, and I'm just looking forward to starting racing again. So I have been able to keep my shape and
okay.
Yeah.
And for the next objectives, which are the next objectives for this year?
Yes, I really hope that the European Championship will be in November. So actually I have moved to Mallorca so I can train and prepare. So I really hope it will be, yeah.
Okay, congratulations and thanks to be here today.
Yeah, thank you so much.